Certainly. Advertising on Google can be a powerful way to reach your target audience and promote your products or services. Google offers various advertising platforms, each with its own network and placement options. In this tutorial, I'll provide you with a comprehensive overview of where Google is showing your ads. 1. Google Ads. Google Ads is the primary advertising platform offered by Google. It allows advertisers to create and manage their campaigns across various networks and placements. Here are the main networks and placements where your ads can appear. A. Google Search Network. Ads appear on Google search engine results pages when users search for relevant keywords. These ads are usually displayed at the top and bottom of the search results. B. Google Display Network. Ads are shown on a vast network of websites, blogs, and apps that are part of Google's display network. These ads can be in the form of banners, text, or even interactive media and can be targeted based on interests, demographics, and website content. C. Google Video, YouTube, Ads. Video ads are displayed on YouTube before, during, or after videos. You can create true view ads that allow users to skip after a few seconds or non-skippable ads that viewers must watch before accessing the video content. D. Google Shopping. For e-commerce businesses, Google Shopping allows you to display product listings with images, prices, and descriptions directly in the search results when users search for products. E. Google Maps Ads. Ads can appear on Google Maps when users search for local businesses or directions. These ads show location details, images, and promotions. 2. Ad formats. Google offers various ad formats that determine how your ads appear on different platforms. Some common formats include A. Text ad. Simple text-based ads that appear on the search and display networks. They consist of a headline, description, and URL. B. Display ads. Visual ads with images or interactive elements that are displayed on the Google Display Network. C. Video ads. Advertisements in video format that appear on YouTube and other Google partner sites. D. Shopping ads. Product-focused ads that display images, prices, and other relevant information about products. 3. Targeting options. To ensure your ads reach the right audience, Google Ads provides various targeting options, including A. Keywords. You can choose specific keywords relevant to your products or services to trigger your ads on the search network. B. Demographics. Target users based on age, gender, parental status, and household income. C. Interests and behavior. Show your ads to users with specific interests, behaviors, and online activities. D. Remarketing. Target users who have previously interacted with your website or ads. E. Location targeting. Specify locations where you want your ads to appear, ranging from countries to specific geographic regions. 4. Bidding and budget. Google Ads operates on a bidding system, where advertisers set bids for their ads to compete for ad placements. You can also set daily or campaign budgets to control your spending. 5. Ad quality and performance. Google uses a combination of factors like ad relevance, expected click-through rate, landing page experience, and ad format to determine ad quality. The better your ad quality, the more likely it is to appear in relevant placements. 6. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor your campaign's performance through Google Ads reporting tools. Analyze metrics like clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Make adjustments to your campaigns based on this data to improve their effectiveness. 7. Ad policies. Ensure that your ads adhere to Google's advertising policies. These policies cover various aspects like prohibited content, trademark usage, and user experience. Remember that creating successful Google Ads requires careful planning, continuous optimization, and a solid understanding of your target audience. As trends and technology evolve, staying up to date with the latest changes in Google's advertising platforms is essential for achieving the best results.